In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank account to your Gumroad account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Getting started with Gumroad can be a game changer for your business, especially if you're looking to sell digital products or services. One of the first steps you'll need to take is to connect a bank account, so you can receive your funds directly. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step carefully. First things first, make sure you have your bank account details handy. This includes your account number, routing number, and any other information that might be required during the connection process. Now let's jump into it. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Gumroad's website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're new to Gumroad, you'll need to create an account first. Just follow the prompts on the screen to get set up. Once you're logged into your Gumroad dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find various options to manage your account and products. Look for the Settings option. It's usually represented by a gear icon or something similar. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on Settings, you'll be taken to a new page where you can edit different aspects of your account. This is an important step because the Settings menu allows you to update your payment settings. Look for the section labeled Payment. This is where you'll find the option to connect your bank account. Click on the Payment option, and you'll see a prompt that says something like Add a bank account or Connect your bank account. This button or link will take you to the form you need to fill out. Here's where it gets a bit more technical, but don't worry, just follow my lead and you'll be done in no time. Now as you begin filling in the details of your bank account, make sure you input the information accurately. Start with your bank's name and then move on to providing your account number. After that, you'll need to enter your routing number, which is essential for the transactions to be processed correctly. If you're unsure about how to find these numbers, you can typically find them on your bank's website or on a physical check from your checkbook. Once you've filled in all the required fields, double-check the information to ensure there are no typos or mistakes. This is crucial because any errors might lead to delays or issues with transferring your funds. When you're certain that everything is correct, you'll look for a button that says Save or Connect. Click this button, and your bank account will begin connecting with your Gumroad account. Depending on the bank and your location, it might take a little time for the verification process to complete. Typically, Gumroad will notify you once your bank account is successfully linked. You might even receive a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox just in case. And that's it. You've successfully connected your bank account to your Gumroad account. Now you can start selling, and the funds from your sales will be deposited directly into your bank account. This makes managing your finances so much easier. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Remember, connecting your bank account is an important step in your journey, so take your time and do it correctly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and